Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the BODIOO folding treadmill, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for home workouts. This treadmill packs a punch with its 15 preset programs, allowing you to customize your exercise routine from a gentle walk to a brisk run, all at your preferred speed point. One standout feature: the 3-level manual incline. It adds a whole new dimension to your workout, letting you adjust intensity on the fly. Plus, it's foldable and compact, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or home offices. Comfort matters, and this treadmill nails it. The spacious running belt is designed for optimal comfort and traction with its 5-layer non-slip material. And with a 2.5 HP motor, it's both quiet and powerful, supporting up to 220 pounds. Safety is key, and this treadmill has it covered. The safety key and emergency stop button ensure a secure workout environment, while the low-noise motor won't disrupt your household. Overall, the BODIOO folding treadmill is a fantastic piece of fitness equipment. It's user-friendly, space-saving, and offers a comfortable yet effective workout experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, this treadmill has something to offer. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.